What's in this Chef tutorial course? This Chef tutorial course introduces a beginner in DevOps to basic fundamentals of Chef with easy-to-do hands-on exercises that you can practice right in the browser. The course introduces basic use cases of Chef followed by an introduction to Chef resources, recipes, cookbooks, run lists, roles, oh hi. Find demos that show how to set up a Chef environment on AWS Cloud Platform. Each lecture is accompanied by a set of coding lab exercises giving the user a hands-on experience in developing Chef code. Finally, test your knowledge with the help of an assignment which will give you real-world experience in solving a problem. What is so special about this course? Lectures backed by animated slides makes it simple and easy to understand. This is the only course that provides integrated lab environments with coding exercises where you can practice developing Chef code right in your browser. What is Chef? Chef software is a configuration management and automate tool used to make your applications and systems easier to deploy. Avoid writing scripts or custom code to deploy and update your applications. Automate in a language that approaches plain English. Legal notice. The Chef is a registered trademark of Chef Software Inc. in the United States and other countries. This course is not certified, accredited, affiliated with, nor endorsed by Chef Software Inc. Who this Chef tutorial course is for: 1. Absolute beginners in automation. 2. Those who wish to automate without coding. 3. Zero scripting knowledge. What will I learn? 1. Automate daily repetitive tasks in your environment with Chef. 2. Get comfortable with Chef language. 3. Set up Chef on cloud environments like AWS. 4. Use Chef console to manage automation.